Disabling biometric login on your Telcel 2026 device can enhance your privacy and security. Follow these simple steps to turn off the biometric login feature. Step 1. Access Settings. Open the Settings app on your Telcel 2026 device. You can find this app on your home screen or in the app drawer. Step 2. Navigate to Security. Scroll down and look for the Security option in the Settings menu. Tap on it to access security-related settings. Step 3. Select Biometric Data. Within the Security menu, find and select Biometric Data or Biometrics. This section manages your fingerprint or facial recognition settings. Step 4. Disable Biometric Login. You will see options for fingerprint or face recognition. Tap on the option you want to disable and follow the prompts to turn off the biometric login feature. Step 5. Confirm changes. Before starting recovery, use the SRC.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. By following these steps, you have successfully disabled biometric login on your Telcel 2026 device. If you have any further questions, feel free to consult the user manual or contact customer support.